In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gmail to HoneyBook efficiently. This integration can streamline your workflow, capturing essential client data directly from your emails and organizing it in HoneyBook. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Zapier, a tool that will enable this integration. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, look for the option to create a new automation, or as they call it, create Zap. This is where your automation sequence will begin. Next, we need to set up a trigger. A trigger in Zapier is the event that will start your automation process. For our purposes, select Gmail and choose the new email action. If you have a specific folder that you want to monitor for new emails, you can select new labeled email instead. This way, any emails coming into that folder can initiate the process. Now let's set up the action, which will follow the trigger. Head over to HoneyBook for this part of the process. You'll need to choose Create Project as the action you want to happen in HoneyBook, or Create Inquiry if that better suits your needs. This step ensures that every new email from Gmail is transformed into a new project or inquiry right in HoneyBook. After setting up the action, you need to connect both your Gmail and HoneyBook accounts to Zapier. When prompted, sign in to each account, authorizing Zapier to access the necessary data. This is a straightforward step, but crucial for making the automation work seamlessly. Now it's time to map the fields. Mapping is about ensuring the correct information is transferred between Gmail and HoneyBook. For example, take the sender's name from your Gmail email and map it to the client name field in HoneyBook. Similarly, connect the sender's email address in Gmail to the client email field in HoneyBook. You'll also want to take the subject and body of the email and map those to the project description or notes in HoneyBook. This step is vital for capturing all relevant information accurately. With everything mapped out, it's essential to test your Zap. Testing helps ensure that all processes are running smoothly and that a new email from Gmail correctly creates a project in HoneyBook. This way, there are no surprises once you activate the Zap. Finally, after a successful test, go ahead and turn your Zap on. When it's active, you'll receive a visual confirmation, often indicated by a checked box or a similar symbol to let you know everything is in place. And there you have it. With these steps, Gmail and HoneyBook are now linked, offering a streamlined, automated way to manage your client interactions more effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy integrating!